Washington, U.S. Special Counsel Robert Mueller late on Friday unveiled a trove of evidence against President Donald Trump's former campaign manager Paul Manafort to convince a judge that he violated a gag order by ghostwriting an article to bolster his public image. The evidence Mueller revealed in a filing, which is a fraction of what he said earlier on Friday he has collected, is the first clear indication of the depth of his investigation and the nature of what his investigators have found. In the 41-page filing, prosecutors in Mueller's office produced emails, drafts with tracked edits and records showing that a computer user named Paul Manafort created a version of the op-ed and made numerous changes on November the 29th between 8:41 p.m. and 9:11 p.m., and last saved at 9:12 p.m. They also produced records indicating that the op-ed, published on Thursday in the English-language Kyiv Post over Mueller's objections, tracked talking points Manafort and his business associate Richard Gates wrote in August 2016. That was after Manafort was forced to resign from Trump's campaign because of political work he had done for pro-Russian figures including former Ukrainian President Viktor Yanukovych. A federal grand jury indicted Manafort and his business associate Rick Gates in October as part of Mueller's investigation into accusations of Russian meddling in the 2016 U.S. presidential election and possible collusion between Russia and the Trump campaign. Russia has denied any meddling and Trump has dismissed any suggestions of collusion. The charges against Manafort include conspiracy to launder money and failing to register as a foreign agent working on behalf of former pro-Russian Ukrainian President Viktor Yanukovych's government, who was ousted in 2014. Mueller also claimed in the filing that Manafort collaborated on the piece with Konstantin Kilimnik, a Russian to whom Mueller alluded in a filing earlier this week as having ties to Russian intelligence. Get the latest news and updates emailed straight to your inbox. By submitting your email you are agreeing to Fairfax Media's terms and conditions and privacy policy. The filing did not disclose how Mueller's team acquired the data, and Jason Malloy, a spokesman for Manafort, declined to comment on it. In the filing,